Alright everyone, this is something I don't really do much of on my channel. As you can see, my SEX102 in the background, and I did get a new body for it today in the mail. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. This is the body from Club 5 Racing. Now we'll open the box and get this stuff out of the way. So this is the Range Rover decals. These would be pretty nice. It actually is a 1971 Land Rover body. We'll cut it open, see what comes with it. Get this out of the way. Let's see what we have here. Looks like the tailgate bags seem to be well marked. Bag C. Seems like the runner boards, the tailgate. Bag A is all the light buckets and the lights. Looks pretty cool. Let's turn it around. There's all the glass, the windshields, the back windows. Bag B. The part of the body. So here's the front and the windshield. As you can see, the hood will open. This is actually the hood right here. Sorry about the really bad lighting. I don't have that good lighting. It looks like this is some of the wheel arches. I did notice in the bag with the hood. Let me open it up. You also have the bumpers. Right. Pretty cool looking aluminum, hard ABS plastic, looks like. I guess these are some of the side rails. I will put everything in. Yeah, this should be an interesting build. This is the back arches. Again, the doors all open in this. The rear window will open separately from the actual trunk part at the bottom. It will open completely separately. So here is all the screws, the roof, the instruction manual. Let's take this out for a second. This is actually one of the doors. The doors actually are hinged. Comes with metal hinges. I think this will be a pretty cool body. So I don't know if you can see in there. As again, sorry about the bad lighting, but this is a bag of all the bolts to put it together. Trying to get this open, see if I can show you some of the hinges. So these are actually some of the door hinges. At least they all are metal, so it seems like metal screws. Again, this is from Club 5 Racing and from California. I will put a link in the description. One cool thing about all the bags of nuts and bolts, they actually come really well. I don't know if I can focus in on that. But they're all numbered, like bag, this is actually bag B. Tells you what screws, everything in it. It's hard to focus on that small lettering, but they're all marked with their own bag A, with what is actually in the bag. Even comes with its own little screwdriver that I'm pretty sure will not get used. So this is the back quarter panels where the fuel tank goes. It actually comes with a fuel tank cap as well. The only thing I will have to do is actually decide what color to paint this thing. I was looking online at some 1971 Range Rovers. I know I said Land Rover at the start, but it's actually a Range Rover. Yeah, I think British Racing Green seems to be the color, or like a sand desert color. I haven't really decided yet. Let's take a quick look at the instruction manual. I definitely don't know if I'll be doing a build series for this. It's hard enough to just film an unboxing, never mind anything else. But as you can see, there's quite a lot of detail to it. Instructions seem pretty straightforward. That will be it.